Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow us today to bring you a presentation about user interface in operating system. But first, let me introduce myself and my members. My name is Farasaka Muhammad Santoso, and my members are Dionysius Albertus and Muhammad Rian Adiantara. So the table of contents. First, we're going to talk about the definition of operating system. What is operating system? An operating system, or as we called it, OS, is a software that acts as an interface between computer hardware component and the user. Every computer system must have at least one operating system to run other programs. Applications like browsers, Microsoft Office, Notepad, games, etc. need some environment to run and perform its task.
Move on to the next topic. In this topic, we talk about main component of the operating system. The system component in the operating system consists of file management, process management, I/O device management, network management, main memory management, secondary storage management, security management, and user interface. User interface refers to the part of an operating system, program, or device that allow a user to enter and receive information. User interface has the following function to make user experience easy and intuitive, requiring minimum effort on the user part to receive maximum desired outcome.
Okay. Next is what is user interface in operating system. User interface, or as known as UI, facilitates communication between application and users by acting as an intermediary between them. Each application, including the operating system, is provided with a specific UI for effective communication. The two basic functions of a user interface of an application is to take the input from the user and provide the output to the user. A user interface of any operating system can be classified into two types. One, graphical user interface, or GUI. Two, command line interface, or CLI.
GUI in operating system. In computing technology, a graphical user interface, or APG, is a type of user interface that uses a graphical method of interaction on an electronic device between the user and the computer. So, in the GUI, there have three areas. The first one is navigation bar, and the second one is application launcher, and the third one is status bar. So here is an example of an image of the navigation bar. And then this one is an example of image of the application launcher. And this is the last is an example of an image of the status bar.
Okay, next topic is CLI in operating system. Abbreviated as CLI, the command line interface connect the user to a computer program or operating system. Through the CLI, the user interact with the system or application by typing text command. Command are typed on specific line following a visual prompt from the computer. In the 1970 and 1918, command line input was commonly used by Unix system and PC systems such as Microsoft DOS and Apple DOS. Today, with a graphical user interface (GUI), most users never use a command line interface again. User must have a good understanding to use the CLI. The user must really know the correct syntax to issue and effective command. There are several advantages and disadvantages of the CLI. Among the advantage of the CLI is higher performance, more efficient in use, only require low hardware specification, and only require a small memory because it is in the form of text only. And there are also disadvantages of the CLI, including the appearance that is less attractive to those who are not computer science and have to remember the command line or code to run computer tasks. The following is a CLI-based operating system UI for some operating system. This is an example of CLI.
And then here is a table of the content sharing plan. So in Nepal Sierra, the notification bar is lined up and centered at the bottom center. And the application bar is lined up to fill the screen. And the status bar is lined up at the top. Meanwhile, in Windows 10, the navigation bar is lined up and centered on the bottom left. And the application launcher is located and lined up at the bottom left on the desktop. And the status bar on the bottom right. Meanwhile, in Chrome OS, the navigation bar is lined up and centered at the bottom center. And the application launcher is lined up to fill the screen. And the status bar is on the bottom right. Meanwhile, in the Linux Ubuntu, when the navigation bar is lined up from top to bottom on the left side of the desktop. And the application launcher is lined up to fill the screen. And the last one, status bar is lined up at the top. So, mini presentation of our group. Sorry if there are mistakes. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. GUI in operating system. In computing technology, a graphical user interface or APG is a type of user interface that uses a graphical method of interaction on an electronic device between the user and the computer. So, in the GUI, there have three areas. The first one is navigation bar, and the second one is application launcher, and the third one is status bar. So, here is an example of an image of the navigation bar. And then this one is an example of image of the application launcher. And this is the last is an example of an image of the status bar. Ya. Kirim aja di grup.